Henan Joyshine Machinery Company Limited started food machinery business in 2015. Is a professional supplier engaged in the research, development, sale and service of French fries and potato chips line, banana chips line, vegetable washing line, food frying line, and poultry slaughtering line. We are located in Zhengzhou City with convenient transportation access, dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In addition, our company has obtained many CE certificates of our most products. Our company has been implementing the concept of quality-centered, integrity-based, sincere service, and technological innovation, and our customers spread more than 60 countries and regions. The purpose of our company is to meet the requirements of customers. The main policy is to guarantee the product quality and timely, fast, thoughtful after-sales service system, which ensure our client keep away from the trouble. We have established trade relations with the United States, the Philippines, Vietnam, New Zealand, Australia, Spain, etc. At the same time, our company has been exported to North America, South America, Europe, Africa, Southeast Asian countries, and get good feedback and strong support. We have advanced technology, excellent processing and testing equipment, reliable manufacturing quality, strict quality assurance system, and perfect after-sales service. Sincerely welcome customers at home and abroad to visit our company and negotiate business.